Hi everyone, welcome back. Email forwarding is a feature that allows you to automatically forward all incoming emails from one account to another. Using this feature, you can easily convert all incoming emails to tickets and manage them. In this video, I will show you how to enable email forwarding and verify email addresses in BoldDesk. Let's look at how to enable email forwarding. First, add the new support email address. To know more about this, watch the Set up a new support email section of Converting Emails to Tickets in BoldDesk video link provided in the card above and description below. After adding the support email address, BoldDesk will generate an email address that must be the destination email account to which your emails will be forwarded. Copy that email address. The steps to configure the forwarding rule will vary from one email client to another. Let me explain it for Gmail account. Log into your Gmail account and go to the Settings page. Then, select the Forwarding in POP or IMAP tab. Now, click the Add a Forwarding Address option and enter the copied BoldDesk email address. Click Next. A message box will appear asking you to confirm the forwarding process. Click the Proceed button. Another message box will appear informing that the confirmation code is sent to the email address provided. Click OK. It will ask for the confirmation code to enable forwarding. Now, go to your BoldDesk portal to retrieve the confirmation code. You will find the confirmation code email created as a ticket with the subject Gmail forwarding confirmation in All Tickets view. Open the ticket and copy the code and paste it into your Gmail settings. Then, click the Verify button to enable email forwarding. Two options will appear. Click the Forward a copy of incoming mail to option and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now, all the mails received in this Gmail account will automatically be forwarded to BoldDesk. Now, let me show you how to verify email addresses in BoldDesk. To verify the support email address, navigate to the Emails channel page under the Admin module. Click the Verify option by clicking the More option icon next to your newly added email address. Then, click the Verify button in the dialog box. BoldDesk will send a verification email. Using this email forwarding rule, BoldDesk will read that email and verify it. You will see the confirmation message after it has been verified. You can now send and receive emails from your custom support email address. Let me summarize it. In this video, I explained how to enable email forwarding and verify email addresses in BoldDesk. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.